All right, we're on page 10 of the packet. You got a couple practice problems here. So hopefully you've tried those practice problems. If you haven't, pause the video and give them a try. I'm going to go through some of the hints maybe of where things went wrong and give you the answers so you can check yourself. So practice number 32, we're talking about this fighter pilot accelerating at 4 Gs from rest. So from rest, we got to make sure we change that to the initial velocity of 0 meters per second. They're going to Mach 4, so again we have to go from Mach 4 to meters per second, so 4 times the speed of sound, which was 331. Also, they gave the acceleration in Gs, so we have to convert it to meters per second squared. List those variables, pick an equation. So for the first part, the time is going to take 33.8 seconds to reach that speed with that acceleration. The distance covered is going to be 22,359 meters, about 22.4 kilometers. Now, if you're not getting these exact numbers, maybe I'm rounding this one here, but whenever I round, I'm going to plug the exact number in. If I maybe use equation 2 to find this distance, I'm not plugging in 33.8. I'm plugging in what my calculator said. I'll store it or hit second entry to pull that number with. So you can either use equation number 2 to solve for this distance or just number 3. Either way works. For number 13, the one that gets people the most is sound has a constant velocity. It doesn't start at rest and then speed up on its way to you. That sound wave travels at a constant speed or relatively constant speed as it travels through the air to you. Whenever you see the words constant velocity or constant speed, that's telling you the acceleration is 0. If acceleration is 0, the initial and final velocities are going to have the same number of 331 in this case, and if acceleration is 0, you're always going to be using equation number 2. And so you should find your answer in meters. Make sure you convert it to miles using that conversion stuff. General rule, for whenever you hear a lightning strike, you hear that just wait. Whenever you hear that thunder, wait and count. 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Every 5 seconds means that lightning strike was a mile away from you, okay? So if you know the fancy smartphone apps that tell you that, that's your alternative.